Do you want to just tell me what the picture's about?
It's just my dad touching my dick or something.
Okay, I thought it might be that.
We've asked you here to address this issue directly, and we need to let you know that we are obliged to inform Child Protection Services. Jonah, is there anything that you would like to say to Dad?
Just stop doing what you're doing.
What the fuck am I doing? I thought you'd done something wrong. What the fuck?
Mr. Takalua, Jonah drew a picture, and in the picture, Jonah has shown you touching his genitals.
What the fuck are you talking about?
This is the picture.
You little fuckwit. Why would I want to touch his genitals? What are you thinking drawing this shit? I didn't fucking touch his fucking dick, you fuck!
Admit it, Dad, you did.
He's fucking bloody lying to you.
You tell him the truth. Tell him what you do to me.
Please don't be so aggressive.
What are you fucking thinking? I never fucking do this. Tell them you're bullshitting. I'm taking away the PlayStation. I'm throwing it out.
Bullshit you are. The PlayStation's mine. You can't take it away.
No, I'll make you fucking share a room with your sister.
Bullshit. Alright. I made it up. I just drew this as a joke. I just knew that you'd all flip out.
Tell them I never fucking touch your dick.
He never touches my dick.
And I never fucking touch it.
You've never touched it.
So you just drew that? That didn't actually happen?
Yeah.
You made it up?
I just made it up because I wanted to get out of my English talk.
Jonah, if your dad is making you lie, you have to know that there are people who will listen to you.
No, it's true, miss.
What the fuck?
This didn't happen?
No. I'd smash him out if he tried to do that.
Next time you make sure you get your story right. If I come in here because you accuse me of touching his fucking dick where I never touch it, then I'll fucking smash you.
Well,
you should apologize to my dad.
Okay. Would you like a cup of tea?
Stick your fucking cup of tea up your ass.
All right.